preparing some ribs right off the grill. I got it seasoned. I'm gonna do great that green cover. You need one of these, right? Right, bring camera close. There's the rib. See? Then I'm gonna start turning them, right? The fork. See? Get a little color. You like them well done? Right? Okay, so turning all of them. Wow, looks like the heat is up here a little bit. So what I'm going to do is at some point, I'm going to just transfer these guys over here. Okay, and I'm going to transfer these guys over there, right? Right. Give them a little time, right? Right. Close it. So right now I'm going to go and check on the ribs, see how it's going, alright? Let's check it out. Alright? Now I want you to focus on the rib. Look at that. These guys, they can color fast. Can I move them? Yeah. See? They're burning. This side there's more heat over here on this side. Everything here. And these guys here. So I'm putting them up here so they get less heat, not direct heat from the grill. Right? Alright, let's give it a shot again. I'm going to close it and let it sit for a little bit. Alright? Close it. They're cooked. Now I'm going to quickly check on the grill because I see a little bit of flame coming out, so the heat might be too high. Right? High heat over here, right? This one got burnt. You see this one got burnt. But I'm going to scrape off the burnt part. So you don't lose it. Alright? Some people like it well done, right? This is why I'm letting it be well done, but for me they're already good. Right? And what I like to do is put it here. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. This is why I have the this here, so I can clean this as I go along. When it's hot, it's easier to clean. Alright, so I'm going to bring these guys up. They're pretty much done. Okay, and then I'm going to clean the grill. And meanwhile the grill is still hot. And then next time, when you're ready to grill, all you gotta do is just fire it up. So what I was saying is, I do it like this. I clean as I go because when I'm done grilling, I don't have to worry about cleaning. All I have to worry about is eating. When I'm done eating, I don't have to worry about cleaning. Isn't that nice? Who wants to clean with a full stomach? Alright, so as you can see I was done cleaning, so I closed the lid now and my ribs are on the top rack. They are getting some heat, so when we're ready to eat, we're just going to grab it from there and then we're going to eat. And then when I'm done eating, I don't have to worry about cleaning. Isn't that cool? So I'm going to check on the ribs. I'm going to give it a little bit of sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of sauce on it. Just a little bit of the sauce that it was marinating in. I'm going to put it on it now to make it a little moist when it comes out. So check it out. See, it's up here in the top rack. I'm making it a little more moist. I'm going to get some here. Zach, film me, Zach, film me. Yeah? Yeah, maybe. See that? Oh yeah. What with me? Yes. This thing is gonna be good, isn't it? I think it's gonna be good. Look at that. For some people it's already burnt. Look, it's gonna start to rain. Let's show the sky. Let's show the sky. It's gonna start to rain, right? Look at that, man. This is why we have this setup here in the garage. This setup here is just hanging out. Alright? So I'm gonna clean a little bit here again with this. And I'm gonna close this. So fly go in there, will come up. So now I'm gonna close this so get some heat and let it sit there. Alright? So I'm gonna clean the grill a little bit, right? Alright, now it's time to test the food. I'm gonna show you exactly what the food looks like off the grill. See? Alright, just for kicks, I'm going to show you the ingredients that we use on the pork rib.